Why do you put me into the stream?
This your host, guys.
Oh, good evening, Blaze.
Good evening. Let's go, guys.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Well, yeah, well, can be better, but
Yeah.
at least 100 grand or something like that, always.
Let me get some music going, guys. Good evening. Get the music going. I just need my guitar. Think. Let's go. Hi, Gaines. Hello. Eight balls party. Let's go. Raymond. Hiyo. Sheep for life. Just chilling. Hi. Trick. Hello.
Good evening, Christy.
Good evening, Doug. Christy. Hi, Christy. Hey, TC. William. What's up? Let's go, TC. Alrighty. Good evening. Uh,
Christo.
Crystal's here. Let's go, yo. Love the intro music. Yeah, you do. Okay, very nice. Yeah.
Well, we play it at least twice a day.
There you go.
And if we're
Um,
gonna quit and crypto is gonna go nuts, guys, it will be played at least 3 times a day because Blaze will come back immediately.
yep, exactly, exactly. Right.
And
Again.
you can always go back to your reply and watch the intro again.
Unbelievable, guys. It was says, "Oh my God, you let him on again, again." Yo, stewards. Yo. Good evening, guys. Crypto had a nice little bounce, right? So we can take a look at the daily, but I'm happy it's back above. We take what we get. We take what we get. We want to be above $40,000. But if we're claiming $37,000 is all we get for now, that's fine. This is better than you know what, right? So it's a lot better, right? So again, 37,000, 37,700, right? 39 is 39.3 is another level as well, around $39,000, and then of course 40, right? So break above 40. William is gonna be William is will be getting to the moon, guys.
I would more like to see the same happening with M content, what it did last week on Doge or whatever.
Yeah, you
I
sold
was
you sold your Shinja, or you're just holding for now.
no, I did buy Sinja. I did sold some M content, did buy Sinja, and that did drop, and M content kept flying up and is now consolidating.
Wow. Okay. Nice.
So I hope that it's gonna get another run. But
Yeah.
hey, Beth,
Hi, Beth. Bo, hey B. Hello, guys. Good evening. Welcome back. Um, hello. Let's go. Good evening. Welcome back. What's Mana doing? What's Mana? What are you doing? Honestly, Mana, it's like every time I look at Mana, like when it decides to go up, it's impressive. Right? Let me take a look at. I know we now which is cool, right?
oh,
That's just a and that's completely healthy, right? Just around 268 there, that's fine, right? This thing decides to move. Look at that, guys. Look at that, right? When this thing decides to move, double bottom around 50, right? Nice get. Hold. I know this thing was a lot lower yesterday, around 40 something, right? So look at that. We came again, so that 50 level, we came down to that level, held that level. But I think we were, yeah, 45, right? So 44. Double bottoms, guys. Like double bottoms are usually a sign of some a reversal, right? Double bottom, strong bounce, right? So again, came back, push, came back, test, hold, impressive, right? Another double bottom here, signal, we go, right? So there you go. Very nice, right? Very nice run that Mana is having here. You know what's interesting
I
though?
think
Something. No, go ahead with him.
I just want to mention. I think I see a little bit of a head and shoulder forming.
Yeah. Again, so that's that. Yeah, I see that, right? But then again, also, like we're holding the bottom of
Mhm.
the range, right? So until we get that confirmation, like this is just it just we just look at this as a flag for now, right? Like just a
Yeah,
little bit of like consolidation. But yeah, no, like it makes complete sense though, right? Like you've had a nice run and now you're going sideways. So what happens next, right? Head and shoulder sell off, right? So again, see if we can keep holding our this 68, right? 268 here, and then recover, right? So
yeah,
again, just
that's
like
as well. But that's as well the same a little bit what I have with M content at the moment.
yeah. There you go.
flew up to 9,000, I think, and dropped a little bit back to 7, and is moving sideways now.
Yeah. Devil your money. uh, Still going strong. Yeah, I'm sure it is. William is still looking. Stuart, are you saying you want to send William some Bitcoin to double for you?
Yeah,
He's
of
still
course, you
available.
may always send it, but I will do not a refund. If it goes missing, I don't know. Maybe my financial advisor will give a refund, but he's terrible in financial advice. I don't put my money in it ever again.
Yeah, there you go. Good. When you think of Bitcoin scams, William's face flies across the screen when you think of unbelievable. If it
Uh,
goes missing, I don't know. My big, I don't know. Unbelievable. Hello, 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 Blair. Hello,
Good
hello,
evening,
hello,
Blair.
hello, hello. Double my money. Um. Anyway, so let me take a look at. I know we've looked at Bitcoin quite a bit. Ooh, let's go. Right on. Mana just does its own thing. Honestly, like I think it almost gauges when Bitcoin is ready to turn around, and then it doesn't matter what Bitcoin is doing, right? On that, red, green, red, green. Nope. It's like, okay, well, seems like Bitcoin is finding support, so it's time for me to run. Like that's what this thing does, right? Because all those here, Bitcoin isn't holding back. It's trying to go there. Let's take a look at. Ooh, let's go. Come on, BTC. Give us that $38,000 tonight. 39. Why not? So if I take a look at what we're really looking at here, guys, is again you can kind of see that we have multiple levels, right? But the like most of these candles are holding around the same levels, like in this little box here, right? Um, we're having resistance here at this 90 EMA, right? The 20-day moving average, sorry, right? So again, right around so as time goes on, this level shrinks down a little bit, right? So again, we filled at that level a few days ago, right? The 20 EMA, right? So that level was again just above $39,000, right? So now we're sitting at 38.7, right? So 38.7. If we can clear that level again, we might just see a $40,000 right away, guys, right? So again, that level now is sitting around 40 30 38 38 7 38 80, right? So we break above that level, cool, amazing, right? So what do you like to see here though is hold around again, just keep holding this range, right? So sure, we can consolidate, that's fine, right? But we need to keep holding, right? So again, you can see that we have multiple levels here to pay attention to, levels like 36.2, right? Levels like stuff like that, right? 37 36.2, right? But again, so $35,000, right? So again, we need to hold around this range here. If we can keep doing that, then that's amazing, right? So yeah, just a whole bunch of consolidation, guys. If we do fail here though, like if we fail at this 37.6, right, and start breaking below these lows here, and then yeah, 35,000 here we come, right? So that's what's gonna happen, right? If we fail at this 37.6 again, right, and break below the low this candle here, yeah, you're headed for this level, $35,000, right? So we'll see what happens, right? We have no control over this. We can just be patient, right, and go from there. Patient, right? Yeah, there you go. So let us know if you have any questions, guys, in terms of high BTC. Let us know if you have any questions, right? The juice.
Blade, I want to join your stream next Thursday.
What's happening next Thursday? Oh yeah. So about that.
It will be a first stream, Blaze.
I don't know. We'll see. we'll
It will be at
see.
least from the hospital, so the Wi-Fi will probably be really, really bad.
William is suggesting, guys. So William is going in for surgery next Thursday, right? And he's saying
Next
he wants to join
next
this.
week, Thursday, they're gonna surgery on my left lung because I had 2 times a filled lung and I have lung damage. So they're gonna cut some away and gonna fix it to prevent it happening from the future again.
Yeah. So what William is suggesting is he wants to come on stream with all the all the highness. All the highness. Scott is gonna roast me, so I'm gonna say no. Best ratings ever. Andrew, Trading.
Or they may do it, to be honest.
Mhm,
But I will be probably pretty good sedative while the surgery will happen.
mhm. There you go. Beth, yeah, well, back to the 1 minutes. Back to the 1 minute. Back to the 1 minute. It's just really slow. Like these things move so quickly, but when they're slow, they're really slow. Hospital drugs, Beth, right? There you go. Don't forget to
Yep,
smash the like,
for
guys.
sure, Bev. For sure. They're gonna put me on a pump place. On a morphine pump. How funny will that be?
I don't know what to tell you. Um, has held up pretty strongly. Everyone has $30,000, which is possible. Again, like Stuart, it's possible, right? But for now, again, we're consolidating. We're holding these levels, right? We have no control over this, right? So for now, we can hope that we found these levels and we can just keep holding them, right? Just keep holding along already. So again, crypto bubbles. But what I wanted to look at, I don't know if there's any merit to this. We'll extra for anesthesia. I don't know if there's any merit to this, right? I don't know if there's anything to this, honestly, right? Something about Meta, right? Planning to acquire the Sandbox. Yeah, I don't know if I believe that. But I just wanted to maybe quickly go through this article and see what's happening, right? So, according to these a handful of Fortune 500 companies have started to pour their investments into the metaverse, right? Web3 and gaming ecosystems. The development is touted to be the future and could be worth $1.5 trillion by 2030, right? According to Grayscale's report, one of the top metaverse and virtual gaming platforms in the blockchain world is the Sandbox, right? Now that Facebook has rebranded itself as Meta and is working towards creating a metaverse, there is a there is an unconfirmed rumor that Facebook is planning to acquire the Sandbox. Where is it coming from? Oh hey, Amber. Not sure where it's coming from, right? So again, unconfirmed rumor. Where is it coming from? No idea, right? Moreover, the rumor we're already doing the rounds on social media, and the voices are getting louder as each day passes, right? Cool. I'm gonna skip a whole bunch of this, guys. About the la 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 la. Again. Maybe Facebook is gonna be motivated a little bit since the earnings have been here comes the man attack. No, Andrew. No, 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 no. So there's an unconfirmed rumor that Facebook is about to acquire the Sandbox game, right? It took it looks like regulation is coming sooner than later in the space, right? So the tweet, blah blah blah. I'm just quickly scanning this, guys. What dip to buy, Dustin? What dip? What do you mean, like crypto dips? Um, there's so many good projects that people are buying, right? So I'm not sure what you're interested in, Dustin.
As long as you don't listen to my financial advice, he said all the time, buy the dip, and every time it kept dipping to me.
Buy the dip. I would just keep dipping, guys. Just buy the dip and buy the dippity dip, the dips of the dip. Not sure what to tell you. Uh, Scenario huge la 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 la. Project spies. Okay, cool. So there's an okay. So I'm not sure who these guys are, right? So
It's
NFT
not me.
ethics. Yeah, not sure who these guys are. Talking about again getting acquired there. Cool. Ecosystem partner builder, la la la, and land, la la la, la la la. I don't even know if I honestly don't know if the sandbox would sell anything, right? So the sandbox has been doing a whole bunch of acquisitions in terms like it just growing the ecosystem, right? So I don't know if they do anything like that. Here you go. Is happy with Facebook plans of acquiring the sand. La omitted here. Sand platforms. La la. Okay, cool. Go to Decentraland Suite. Nah, David. Okay, cool. Wow, so there are a lot of people actually tweeting about this, right? So look at this. It's a rave party. Look at the dancing. Oh wow, Mana at $1.25 now. No, Mana's moving up. Um, so these guys are saying maybe San Francisco to sell and move to Decentraland. Look at that, guys, right? So somehow this comes around back to Decentraland to Mana, right? Something about again if Facebook acquires the Sandbox, Snoop Dogg is gonna move to Decentraland, right? So it's interesting. It's interesting again. So these are just really interesting to read. There's nothing else to this, honestly. Bring that on. I was scooping what, $1.25, please and thank you. Give us $1.25. No, I don't want to see $1.25. Andrew, you know what? Take that juju somewhere else, please. I don't want to see $1.25. 5 cents in 5 minutes. 5 cents in 5 minutes. Andrew, we're not dropping. We're not going anywhere. We're holding. We're sideways, supporting. Right? Look at that. Holding, holding, holding. We just need Bitcoin to pump, Andrew. We're following. Look at that, right? We're in line now. So, what's AMC doing? I don't know. I'll take another dip of mana, Christy. You know what, Andrew? You see other people asking for dips in the chat. It wasn't me. Christy asking for dips. So I don't know what to tell you. There's that. Just a few more rubbish. Just a few more. Andrew. So Stuart posted a really good thing in Discord. Just a little really good message, right? So again, as much as we've had like the crypto market dip here, right? Think of what's happened though, right, guys? Again, so sure, right? We've had a dip and it's annoying, right? But think of all the acceptance, right? So again, we've gone from Russia banning crypto to just regulations and finding out that yeah, Russia actually in crypto in general, right? We've gone from India wanting to ban crypto, right, to just regulations, right? We've gone from like Arizona, all these different states, right, thinking about using Bitcoin as legal tender, right? So again, as much as we're dipping, it's getting widely accepted, and that's a really good sign, right? So and so there you go. Good evening,
I
Roberts.
think and it will be in all ways be better to have more currencies to use.
Like just more stuff being accepted.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You know, if I look in Europe, my country is only 300 kilometers big. If I go to Belgium, I had a different currency. If I go to Germany, I had a different currency. 1 hour flying, I'm in London. I had a different currency. We still have one different, and that's London, of course. But every country in the EU has one coin. Why do we need to have 20 coins to use in every fucking country? Sorry
Yeah.
for my language, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
But why do you need to use in every different country another coin? Why not? Why can we not say worldwide we use the dollar or whatever,
Yeah.
like how we did it in Europe?
Here you go, guys. Unbelievable.
And
William is
I think
uh,
that it will be a big benefit if we're gonna have that as well
I
in
agree.
crypto.
Right?
Because if I go to the US and I can buy my bought Dogecoin I bought with euro, I can use in the US, I can use it in Europe or wherever.
Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Uh, right. So I don't know what to tell you
Love
guys.
you, Amber.
Queen, unbelievable, unbelievable. Anyways, like again, I agree, right? So it's imagine traveling, right? Again, so it doesn't matter where you're traveling, but you can again so easily switch or use the same currency, right? Hmm. But because of his it's about time we had a universal currency, right? It's why countries like Ukraine are adopting it faster than most. There you go, right?
Yeah,
Stuart,
yeah.
to monetize, outrageous, outrageous, outrageous. Yeah, this
Oh,
is just.
good. I will have to be honest to hear tomorrow that you did not got demonetized.
Oh, I don't even. Let me look at that anymore. Honestly, um, so India's prime minister says rupee will strengthen the economy and revolutionize the fintech sector. Cool, right? Just wanted to quickly look at that and see if there's any more to that, right? It's amazing. Like it's amazing the turnarounds for some of these names, right? Not the names, but just in statements, right? Oh my goodness, we're planning on ban. Nope, nope. We're working on our own thing, right? So it's
No, sadly not, Andrew. Will be way easier, I think, in the metaverse.
you think so?
Well, it will be pain free.
Yeah, there you go. question for you guys in the chat. Question for you guys in the chat, right? So just a little fun question here, right? So which will happen this year, right? So you can just put in the ticker if you want to, right? Just put in the ticker, right? Which is more likely to happen this year, right? So again, Bitcoin. I feel like that's easy, easy, easy. Bonjour, bonjour, Martin. Bonjour. BTC, $70,000. ETH, $5,000. BNB, right? Which is gonna happen this year. You can put in multiple tickers if you want, right? I just want to see what you guys are thinking, right? So, FTM, $10. Mana, $5, guys. Five. Matic, $5. ADA, $5. Yeah. Sandbox, $5. Doge, $1, guys. Doge to $1. Gala. There you go. Galata, $1. Vets, XLM, $1. SafeMoon, 0.01. Shiba, 0.001. Let us know. Uh, you hope all of them? I hope all of them too, honestly, right? So that would be amazing, right? Just, just have crypto explode. Just have crypto explode, guys. Um, so let me know. What do you guys think? Saitama is not on the list. Tech. To $5,000 for sure. You think so? Okay. So ETH to $5,000 would dreamy to $5. There you go. To 102. Sold to 100. What rubbish is Blay asking for now? Metaverse. He's high having surgery. Going to the rave. Yeah. He's gonna be going to the rave in Yeah, we think so. So Mana, Avax, Solana, Link, FTM, Matic, and Sand. Okay, all $5. I'd like that very much. I want to see all those names above. Again, Metaverse Place. Want to see them above $5, right? Matic.
I want the sixth from the bottom to be at least $1.
Yeah, you want this? You want this one to be $1?
No, the sixth from the bottom.
Okay, or Dogecoin. Want it to be
Yes.
$1? Okay, sounds good. Um, sounds good.
At least I would really like it to get some gains out of it one day.
You guys asked for a dip on Mana. Well, here you go. Here's your dip. But you better start buying. Um, buy before we add um
Are
before
you
we leave.
giving me financial advice?
No, I'm talking to Christy and Stuart only. This is financial advice. Christy and Stuart only. Nobody else. That's
Dang it. Yeah, absolutely, Bev. Otherwise, we're going to be able to send Blaze a bill if it was going to be wrong.
not entertainment purposes only. And yeah.
Good evening, Ryan. How are you?
Yeah, it'd be nice to see Doge at $1, right? So I know there are a lot of people waiting for that. Um,
Yeah.
it would be amazing. It would be really amazing to see Shiba, drop some zeros here too, right?
Yep.
So
Well, I have a few now on what I really want to see some zeros disappearing, like
Mhm.
end content.
Mhm.
It was months, or weeks, it was flat, and in one moment, it's gonna fly.
Mhm.
Love it.
Mhm. Andrew, so if I say the metaverse three times, it's the market goes down. So, so what do I need to do for it to go up, Andrew? What do I need to say? Um, what do I need to say here? Yeah. No, honestly, don't mind this. So Mana recovers better than most, right? So don't mind this at all, right? Bitcoin shows any sign of life, this thing is gonna run, right? So, no concerns there at all. Yes, 2 out of 3. Oh, and 2 out of 3 of those. Crystal, okay, sounds good. For X, who came up with these numbers? I think they're just having fun on Twitter, right? As Stuart, so I think they're just having fun. Uh, this is just business. Crypto stocks the next 2 months. Which one is better? Which one is better to make money? Crypto or stocks the next 2 months? What do you guys think in the chat, guys? Crypto or stocks the next 2 months? Which one do you guys think you can make the most money in? Let us know. Let us know in the chat. Crypto stocks, William. Crypto stocks.
Well, for me, it is gonna be crypto. I don't want to be in stocks. And the way I want to make the most money is if somebody is gonna send me one BTC at least. I will double it for free. Blaze, come on, try the deal.
You know what, guys? March is coming, crypto. Okay, crypto, crypto, crypto. So you know what's funny? You know, crypto EA, crypto. Okay, March is coming. Next 2 months, crazy talk. Um, William showed up to the stock market, guys. William decided, okay, well, this crypto thing's been fun. I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, right? So William decides to show up to the stock market. He's like, I'm an international trader now. I trade stocks, I trade crypto, I trade forex, I
Hey,
trade moon, I trade
Blaze, what are
wheat,
you doing?
this, I
Are you
trade
are you
currencies.
roasting me?
No, no, no. William decided to show up to the market, right? Okay, cool, right? Okay. Then he goes into fun. Fun shows him what the stock market is all about. And he's like, yeah, nah, this is not it. Now he's like, okay, I'm not into the stock market thing. No, thank you.
This
Unbelievable.
this really sounds like being roasted, guys. Help me out here. What is this?
No. Oh, man, that's funny. Crypto to the moon soon? Yeah. No, like stocks are, I don't know. It's just the stuff we play with sometimes, William, right? It's just like some of it is in the stonks. Some of it is rubbish. I'm with you, Ryan. Um, all of the stocks to choose fun. Um, no, fun was fun. No, fun should have been like a lot better, right? So fun should have really rewarded people. It was just an absolute disaster. That's what that
It,
was.
it didn't reward me at all.
No,
It costed me $300. It's no fun. But my financial advisor told me, "Don't worry, I'm gonna make it good with you."
okay, okay, sounds
We're
good.
waiting for the day, but I don't know what's gonna happen. But
Oh, that's funny. No, fun was a different story. It's one of a kind. One of a kind. Too
yeah,
bad he wasn't here for Torch, Scotty. It's Bitcoin's birthday. Go Bitcoin. It's a birthday. You want to get about 37.5. Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully BTC.
that's one thing to be sure about, Crystal.
Yeah.
That's why I'm up all night. It's already 3 a.m. for me.
Yeah. um, oh no, Ryan! How frustrating that thing was. Absolutely not holding it. Around $20. Took the money and ran. Um, if you're gonna party like it's your birthday, come on BTC, go go go. Turn around on your. Oh yeah, there we go. So William, let's say Stuart sends you one BTC. What's your timeline like? What? How long does it take to double it? Is there a timeline?
BTC, 24
Yeah.
hours.
Unbelievable. 24 hours, guys. That's all it takes. That's all it takes for Bitcoin for William to double your BTC that quickly, right? Just 24 hours. Bitcoin has barely moved like 2% in the last 78 hours. It only takes. Don't worry. William is doing some leverage stuff, right? One for 2,000 leverage. 50x, 100x, 1 million x. 24 hours. Your money's double, just like that. When you think of Bitcoin criminals, William's fish like just um 24 hours, right? 24 hours. Is that easy? Um
That's completely right. It's easy. It's like this, and
okay, one
it's
is he's like this. Your money is gone, guys. Right? William runs into the Africorn exchange partners. It goes to Nigeria, all these other countries, and then it comes back around at zero. Criminal image, Christy, unbelievable. Um,
Why do I need to have a goodie drawer, Queen? I'm not gonna tell you where I hold my Bitcoin.
the Bitcoin is in a drawer because it's not coming back to you guys. Um,
You don't know.
it's not coming back.
Private place.
It's cancelled within minutes. Yep. As soon as the person sends it to it, membership William is not existent in the file.
All the past streams will be deleted. No
Yep.
more. No
Exactly.
money.
Yep. Exactly. The goodies. Oh yeah. We do. Oh man, that's funny. William scams. um, Metaverse. To press eject button for William's chair.
Are you gonna replace me, Andrew?
Um,
Is that what you're asking in place right now?
Andrew. The room turned into pure smoke. After that, after it sent. Yeah, William was never here. Um, William is gonna go bald. You know, change his glasses. Unrecognizable. No, it's Amber's fault. It's Amber's fault. Amber said metaverse, so I said metaverse. So there you go. Um, in the open, Queen. Um, where you can ever replace? No, absolutely not. No replacing. There you go, guys. Again, so I can quickly run through a few more names here, but I know it doesn't matter, honestly, right? It really doesn't matter. Um, like I take a look. I usually take a look at the rest of the list and go through Shiba and whatnot. Maybe I can take a look at Shiba here quickly. Uh, what's happening now? Um,
That will be so funny if that's gonna happen with Blaze, Shiba's Mahomes.
well, what happens?
We need a stream where Blaze is on what William is smoking.
Uh, nah. There you go. So again, we can take a look at Shiba here, but most of these again doesn't really matter, right? So let me pull up the daily chart. I can take a look at Doge as well. You know, it's like it's ready for me. This thing seems like it's full. When I take a look at these charts, most of the time, before these things go on like super nice runs, you can always tell that like we're getting tight, like really tight to that 9-day moving average, right? Usually that's where you get those explosions from, right? Like when we are super tight to that moving average, right? So Shiba is doing stuff like that, right? Again, when we get really close, right? You can really see some nice candles come out, right? So again, really close. You can see this again, the selling pressure here for Shiba dying down nicely, right? Again, so look at those candles there, right? Volume, right? All of a sudden we're chilling, right? Just relaxing, hanging out, right? Which is amazing, right? But again, we need Bitcoin, right? We either need a catalyst, some type of news, Amazon, Robinhood, something, or we need Bitcoin to get back about $40,000, right? If not, well, these things just keep following slowly, right? So let me take a look at Doge. Um, very
Slowly, you say slowly falling, following,
slowly fall,
slowly following.
slowly
Guys,
fall.
have you seen Dogecoin? It is not slowly falling; it is rapidly falling.
It's following the rest of the market down. Um, we need Elon's Musk. Elon's Musk. Again, so Doge seems very similar, right? So this seems to play with that 14 cent level. I know some of you guys got in at like 12.5 cents term. And yeah, seems to be a really good spot to get in at, right? So again, if the crypto market bounces, this thing is going to move nicely. Or maybe we're going to need another tweet from Elon because those tweets are not working, right? Not working at all. Tesla, not happening, right? So we're going to need something here. What else? I want to take a look at XRP. It's all the same, guys. Look at that, right? Take a look at Shiba. Take a look at XRP. Take a look at Doge. Take a look at a lot of these charts that are not Metaverse plays, right? They're very similar, right? All like really tight and just holding, 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 as Bitcoin does absolutely nothing, right? So again, and we know there's a lot more to XRP here, right? There's a lot more, right? So been seeing some crazy numbers. Uh, some crazy numbers. People throwing numbers out like $5,000 and $10,000 for XRP here, right? Make it stop. Make it stop. Like, so again, we wait, right? For now, we wait and see what happens with the lawsuit, right? So see what happens there, and then we can make the next decision. For now, again, we wait. So, anyways, so let's move on here to back to BTC as we go for a nice little run, right? So again, 37.4. See, we can get above 37.5 here, guys, right? And push for that $39,000 level. There you go. And mana, what's
By
mana?
the
Okay,
way, I still didn't have that $100 free Bitcoin from you for signing up for iTrustCapital. When are you gonna
that
send that to me?
that's not me sending it to you. That's them sending it to you.
You're
How come
muted.
everybody has got the Bitcoin? Where's your Bitcoin, William? Eh, Where's your Bitcoin? No. So with those guys, you have to sign up. Oh, I think William lost his mic, guys.
No. My speakers did turn in standby mode. I didn't hear you.
Mhm.
Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. I know how to get you to the money. Just for whatever William is on. Yeah. um, but he's muted. William, you're muted.
No. I'm not muted. My speakers did turn off.
Yeah. um, Ryan, how do you become a member? How do you become a member? I'll send you a link. I'll send you a link in Slack. I'll send you a link. Yeah, I'll send you a link in Slack, or maybe someone can. And then you can just go to the getting to the rules channel and then follow those instructions. So and then you should be good to go, Ryan. Here you go, Ryan. Finally, finally, leaving the I don't know to the moon. Go figure. Yeah, I wasn't sure, Queen. I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure where you were. Oh no, here goes Andrew, guys, selling mana again. Unbelievable. Praying for a dip. Praying for a dip, and here we go. 266. Okay, look at all those numbers. 26666. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0.
Well, to some people, it will be a lucky number.
Yep.
Honestly, a lot of people say Friday the 13th is a bad number, but my sister didn't be born on it.
On Friday the 13th.
Yes.
And that's a lucky number.
Well, to my dad, it was.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Uh, Again, and Meta gets delisted. I am Andrew. I won't say that. I will not say anything. 13 is your lucky number as well, Christy. Wow.
She busted my homes. I hold a bunch. I hold Doge, Shiba, and content, satima, and a lot more.
He's an international crypto
About
holder.
20 different coins at the moment.
Yeah. International Stuart, international crypto holder. You know, all the coins.
I'm as well willing to hold Blaze's coins, but he don't want to send them to me. I don't know why.
You hold my coins, hold your coins. You know, William is holding a lot of coins. He's willing to hold yours too. If you want to send them to him, you know. No, well, he, maestro. um, he's willing to hold your coins, guys. Unbelievable, William. I want to hold your coins. I don't know why. It's because you're trying to double it, William. I don't want you to double my coins. I want you to leave them alone. Um,
That's as well, no problem. Just let them rest at my place. I will not touch your coins, no problem. Tell me how long you want me to keep them. As long as you pay the gas fee back, that is
yeah.
not my problem.
Okay.
Then I
Okay.
will
So.
hold them for you. If you say
Okay.
10 years, I will hold them for 10 years, no problem.
Okay. Sounds good.
At least you are not able to spend the place. That's
Yep.
going to be a benefit.
Yep. Don't change your number. Oh, Jenny. You know, I need this. I need you to. Jenny. Jenny. Jenny on the block.
Good evening, Malco.
Who? Oh hey. Oh hey. Oh hey. Ooh, look at that. Andrew, maybe it's a thing. Maybe it's a thing, right? DM if you need any assistance. Okay, perfect. Perfect, perfect. So again, maybe it's a thing. If I don't say the word, you know, Andrew, it mana does well, right? So maybe I just need to when I'm not watching it, it does well, like really well for some reason. So we need to start watching mana. Uh, sub 100, sub 100. Yeah,
Yes.
Shiba, Shiba.
Shiba, Dogecoin, top
Yep,
100.
yep. Shiba.
In the past, ADA, in the past, BTC. I still have BTC on a different account I don't use.
Yeah. Williams Bitcoin. I she was the Jenny person. She had to join Discord. Who's the Jenny person in the chat, guys? Look at man, I go. Who's this Jenny person you guys speak of? Buy more Luna. Thank you later. More Luna. Luna to know Jenny. Like Jenny from I don't know. Who's Jenny? Do you know who Jenny is? Ooh, nice man. Huh? Come on. It's an 80s. Oh, it's an 80s song. Okay, Jenny. Jenny from the block. I'm still Jenny from the block. La 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 la. Matev. Oh, okay. Dogelon Mars coin. What are you asking for? Do you have a question about it or what? Um, before you were born, 25 years before I was born. Was it 25 years? No,
Oh, it's
it wasn't
getting
that.
close.
Yeah, it wasn't that long. It wasn't that long, Andrew. Um,
Well, still 15 years, Blaze. Sorry to be a game changer to you.
no, it was yeah.
Yes. I, to be honest, I remember you told how old you were, so I calculating with my back to the 80s. Yes,
Mhm.
because I'm born in the 80s
Yeah, 80s. Yeah, back in the days. Back when
when everything was better.
yeah, I don't know. I don't know. 80s song by Tommy. Ooh, okay. Tommy. Let me see if I can find who that is. Tommy. Tommy. Oh, okay, cool. I see it. Cool. Original. Oh, that's what you guys are looking at. The numbers. Cool. Interesting. Tommy. Why is he holding a fish in that video? You love the 80s? The 80s? Why is he holding a fish? This guy seems very suspicious. He seems like a suspect. Um, 80s rock best music ever. Yeah. Look at this is what you guys were listening to back in the 80s. Highly questionable. Highly questionable. Um, interesting. Um, got my the other day. Yeah, Highly questionable. 68. Right, Christy? Looks like a kid in a rap CD cover, right? Suspicious. In the 80s, I listened to whatever Mom and Dad had on Ghost. Yeah. Uh, I'm just looking at the whole playlist there. Now we are questionable notes. No, you're not old. You're not old. No such thing as old. Um, it's an old people card. Okay, I wasn't sure honestly, Beth. I wasn't sure what an RP card was. I'm still not sure what it is. Um, I don't know. Did you venture into the sandbox? I did. Well, no, I haven't. I haven't actually. Again, so that's the one that required me to connect the wallet. No, I haven't. I've just watched a whole bunch of videos. Right, it seems really. Again, I know we've talked about the graphics and whatnot. Right, just in a whole bunch of videos. But it seems like that's the way they want to set it up. I don't know if they're going to improve the graphics as Manas are trying to go for a nice, something. I'm not sure what they're going to do this to it. Right, so I'm sure we can find some videos that actually go in there. Didn't I just haven't connect. Very similar to Mana. You have Stuart. You ventured into the sandbox metaverse. Very cool, actually. Very cool. Very cool. Ooh, let me see. La la la, hey la, street. Let's
Thank you,
go.
Mona.
Let me see. Let me see. Uh. Ooh, look at that. Oh, my DMs. My DMs. Okay, one second. One second. One second. Look at this. Come on. I'm thinking about investing in some land on Mana. Stewart, like your wow, that stuff is expensive, right? $11,000 for like the cheapest plot of land. For that little dot, remember that little dot, right? $14,000, $11,000. Um, do it, Stewart, do it. Get us a party spot, get us something.
I'm still not really sure about Meta and all those lands you can buy right now.
Hmm.
I've really the feeling that it's gonna be some kind of hype,
Yeah.
honestly,
Okay. Um.
because I have not seen things like some kind of games I played.
Mhm.
I think I will get bored in those things.
Mhm. I'm sure there's an element of like of hype to it, but
Yeah,
it seems I think there is for most things that are, let's go Mana, right, Beth? For most things that are potentially the next phase of, like, just the next phase of, I don't know what word I would use for it. There's always an element of hype, like whether that's technology or this and that. There's always like overhype for it, right? But you think about it, it seems like, again, so the way you see all these companies moving towards that, like the Apples, right, and the Nikes, right, and all these companies, it seems like it's fairly, like, it just seems like it's just getting started, right, just getting started.
it's
So
completely true.
yeah.
But honestly, I'm not gonna pay $100 to buy shoes in the metaverse. Excuse me, but I cannot wear them in my real life. Pay
Yeah,
$100.
yeah,
I don't know.
yeah.
It's the same if you like give me your BTC and I will double it.
Mhm.
Who is that? Who does that?
Yeah. Who does that? Look at this. You're questioning. Um, who does that? Who does that? The big
No,
companies are.
I'm not flushing my money. It's the same way.
Yeah. There you go. So yeah, Stewart is just, again, just reiterating, right?
Yeah,
So all these big companies that are just, well,
mhm.
if we call them, right? So all these companies, I mean, like, you just saw what, so Activision, Microsoft just spent $70 billion, 70 billion, for stepping stone into the metaverse, right? So building blocks, right? So these guys are spending huge, right? You take a look at like Mana, for example. I don't know if you saw the stream, right, William? You go into the metaverse, into Mana metaverse, right? You see the like the plot of land that Binance has in there, like some big spots, right? So like these
Hmm.
companies I bet you for some of them like it's investments, right? They're gonna flip it in the future to someone else, but yeah,
Hmm.
yeah,
Yes, of course, but that's all life.
hmm,
Everything will flip.
yeah,
If I don't know if anybody have seen the post what have been posted about the Netherlands, but Jeff Bezos is building a ship in the Netherlands.
hmm,
They it's not possible to bring it to the sea. They need to break down something, rebuild it just for one ship. It's
yes,
just a flip. If they were gonna build it somewhere else, they were able to do it. But here it is the best way.
yeah, exactly, exactly, exactly. Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
if I go to the store and I want to buy an apple, it have been touched by three different people already.
yeah, exactly.
So it
That's cool.
always
Yeah. Yeah, I think yeah. So against how much YouTube pays out, all down to advertising. Yeah, right. So we've seen people again. We've seen a lot of these companies that just spend like thousands of dollars just to buy a little spot, right? Just so you can advertise on that little like turnaround board,
yeah
right? So
yeah
it's crazy. Yeah.
yeah.
So free ears. Okay. No, Jasmine, you're going to sign up for Discord. There you go. So come join us, Jasmine. The link is buying up more of the island life. Yeah, island you live on. Wait, what is he doing there, Scotty? Tell him to let us know where the metaverse is. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see here. Oh yeah, let me take a look at Discord.
Scotty already posted the link for Discord.
Okay, okay. Yeah, no, no. I
So
just want
now
Amber
you
to
should
take a look at Discord. Uh, la, la, la. See here. There you go. 69, 369, 69, 69. Not buying a regular ship. It's
Why do you repeat that number three times?
because I'm around some highly questionable people. You're
No, 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 no.
yeah.
You surround yourself with highly questionable people.
And Jenny joining up. Now we have Jasmine and Jenny. Jasmine and Jenny joining Discord, guys. Can you appeal to a target market a lot easier in the metaverse? Ooh, here comes Jasmine, guys. Where's Jenny? Jasmine and Jenny. Jasmine, welcome to. Jasmine, did you sign up for Discord? I can't even see what you signed up for. Uh,
Yes,
Ignite,
Discord.
yeah, Discord. Let's
Discord.
go, Jasmine. Welcome to Discord. What's the cost for Discord, and do you discuss plays for the upcoming trading sessions? Like you mean stonks, Chris? I think that's what you're asking for. Yeah, yeah. So just ideas and whatnot. There you go. So Jasmine, welcome to Discord. Thank you for the support. Just did. Let's go. So come join us. So again, just follow the instructions there. Right from Scotty. Just follow those instructions, and you should be good to go, Jasmine. Jasmine. So again, just go over to the community tab on YouTube. Right. There's a link there to join Discord, and then just make sure you follow the instructions in the rules channel. Right. Click the cookie at the bottom, right? And then follow the last instructions at the very bottom there, and you should be good to go. It's all business, Jasmine. From here on out, it's business, Jasmine. Absolute business. Let me see here. So, la, la, la. There you go. We have a winner. We have a winner. It's Jasmine. Let's go. Welcome. He's amazing in concert. Oh, who is? Oh, Jess. Jesse's girl. Uh, Matev, you love Dogelon Mars, don't
Yeah, I
you?
just want to ask you something, but never mind.
Let's go. What else is moving here that we can take a look at? I want to go over to Yeah, wish I'd you wish you did. I want to go over to one second. No, I want to go over to coin market cap here, guys, and take a look. So that's Tommy. If
Be
you're
right
not
back.
sure this guys, this is Tommy, Mr. Fish, Mr. It's moving. It is okay. Sounds good. I just want to take a look at some of these movers here. I know most of the time these names are rubbish, absolute rubbish, right? But it's fun. Like it's fun to look at. But just his friend. I just want to take a look at some of these things here. I don't know if I've ever found something good on this list, like something that I want to play with. Like never, ever, ever, ever. Uh, but it's always really interesting to look at, right? So, Silva token, Doge colony, cool. Bird token, cool. Um, First Doge, the first Doge, cool. Um, Galactic Kitty Fighters, guys. Look at that. What is this rubbish? Um, what's that? Snoop Floki Dog. Okay. Mini Tesla. Okay. Shopee Coin. Cool. Alpha Brain. Hmm. Cult. Kig Monster. There's a Kig Monster coin. Um, Elon Goats. Elon Goats. No, well, Elon Goats. That has to be the funniest one for me, honestly. Um, who make money than crypto in the next 2 months? Itball? What is it saying, Musty? Anything? Nothing? Maybe not. Maybe it's sleeping. I don't know. And I want to make her yours. The, that coin is what? Unbelievable. Um, yeah, I want to see some of these. Gaming Shiba is still in there. Spooky Shiba is still in there. Again, most of these guys. Yeah, honestly, like wake up. Most of the time, these guys, all they're looking for here, again, Baby Lambo's been on here quite a bit actually, right? So, I know Baby Lambo's been mentioned, Stuart, about the YouTuber that openly scammed his community for $300,000 for 300K. What is it called again? Up something something, right? I think I heard about that. So they made a coin and then rock put everybody. Nah, safe bow. Shiba Doge. Okay, cool. I just like looking at this list every once in a while just to see if there's anything interesting on here. Anything interesting. You know what, guys? If you could take a guess, just a random question. If you could take a guess, right? Your wildest guess, who's about to come on the show, guys? Just just spam some answers in the chat. If you could
I
take a
think
guess, you think Amber?
yes.
Okay, okay. Just a random guess. Like let your imagination run wild, right? So someone that's about to come on, right? Let us know in the chat, guys. Let us know. Who do you think?
Queen.
Queen? Noah Orion? Okay, Nas. Okay, Nas Nick. Okay, cool. It's Noir. Okay, cool.
Ness, yes, Ness will be fun as well. Melko.
Let's
What up?
go. Marco.
First
Let's
off,
go.
how do I sound? It's
How
been
do
a
you
You
sound?
while.
sound good.
Good. You look
Okay,
good.
thank.
You look.
Hey, I'm horrible, man. This has been a journey.
It's been a journey.
It's been a journey.
But
Oh,
How,
that's life always, Melko.
I got sick. I had COVID. The whole family had COVID, man.
really?
I ain't been the same since. I've been to
Yeah.
the gym one time. My
Uh,
elbows hurt. Like, can you believe this, man? It's
COVID is
crazy.
COVID is rubbish.
I
Like
know. That's what I'm saying.
it really is. Like you just don't.
Honestly, my niece has it this week for the second time.
Your knees.
Yes,
Yes.
my sister did told me today.
Oh wow. Oh yeah. Yeah.
William, you're looking super healthy.
Yeah.
Look at the luscious hair, Marco.
I know,
Look
yeah.
look at the
No,
hair.
not really, Marco. Next Thursday I go for surgery, so.
You look like a Labrador.
Look like a lion. There you go. Marco, it's good to see you. Good to see you.
Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah,
Well,
I'm always checking in.
okay,
Always
yeah, I know.
checking in.
I know.
I
How's
don't
your
really.
yeah?
What's
How's
up?
the how's the family after all this rubbish?
Uh, Everyone's good.
Yeah.
Everybody's straight. I mean, I don't know. Life hits you in the face a few times. You be like, "Hey, can you stop?" And it
Yeah.
don't stop. You just gotta adjust to the hits. It's been a journey, man. I'm telling you, man.
Yeah.
But no, I'm
Yeah.
good. I'm fine.
Yeah.
What can I say? Is Bitcoin okay? Then I'm not okay. So
It's okay. It's okay because you bought below $10,000. You bought the entire float below $10,000, so you're okay.
yeah,
Not denying it, guys. Not denying it. Bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin below ten
no,
thousand dollars, and
the- a whole bunch is a stretch. Okay, so
yep, yeah. Now, how's
yeah,
your other than Bitcoin though? How's your crypto
I can do
uh,
development?
your offer, Marco, but you don't want that offer.
no, I'm fine. Um, no, everything is okay. I notice I'm not saying good. I'm saying okay. It's okay.
Yep,
I'm
yep, yep,
chilling. It's cool. You
yep,
know, I've been on Craigslist looking for jobs.
yep.
No, I'm joking. But serious, but joking. No, no, but it's good to see you guys in a chat and see the Labrador and the Supercuts mascot over there. It's cool.
Super cuts. There
So,
you go. uh,
what's been up? I mean, I check in and out, so I
yeah.
know you guys. Oh, I don't know what the newest hottest crypto is that everyone's rocking with. So,
All the metaverse names, metaverse stuff. Metaverse stuff, the manas, the sands, and stuff like
okay.
that. That seems to be the new phase with like all these big names, all these big companies moving towards that. And all these rubbish articles, stuff like Nike and Apple, like all these companies moving towards that. So that's been the
Oh,
new, yeah,
oh, see, I didn't know this. Uh,
yeah,
yeah. Okay. Cool. Thanks. Bye. No.
yeah,
No. No. That's actually really
yeah,
really crazy. Because I'm not gonna lie, because I didn't know the strength of for one NFTs but I guess the metaverse actually like takes things to another level when you think about
yeah,
it.
yeah.
So don't mind me, guys. I am not educated on this, so
No, that's okay. That's
like,
okay.
I'm not.
No, like, I feel like we're just all learning as we go along. We went into the metaverse the other day on stream, right? Just to see what it was, just to experience it. And Andrew's gonna hate me for saying this, but you could go to a concert like live in the metaverse, like not leave your house. You could go to like Australia, the Australian Open. You could do stuff like that, right? So that's why it's such a hype because
That is crazy. You know what? That's
right?
crazy. Is because I remember probably like a year and a half,
Yeah,
something like that. Everyone's talking about it was when the basketball games, no one was at any of the basketball games, and they were doing this whole thing. Oh, it'd be so cool if you could just be
yeah,
on your couch but courtside at the games.
yeah.
That's
Exactly.
that's
That's
just
what it is.
that's now, right? So
Yeah,
that's crazy when you think about it.
yeah,
That's like,
yeah.
geez,
Yeah, yeah, and that's why there's so much hype because we're just coming from like COVID. The last 2 years, everyone's been spending time at home, right? So you can actually go to these events without going there. So
right?
uh, we went to a rave in the metaverse, guys, to a rave, with live music. Um,
That's
yeah,
crazy.
that's crazy. And like, what's even crazy is all the spending that's being done in there. We can maybe take a look at some of this stuff again, guys, if you guys want to, right? You take a look at like a little dot of land, like a little dots, right, selling for like $11,000, right? Uh, like people like spending a lot of money in there. So yeah,
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 you,
yeah. yeah, people were talking about, oh, yeah, I got I bought some land in Metaverse.
Yeah,
I bought,
yeah,
like, listen, man,
yeah,
you're confusing me right now because you're playing GTA RP and you're
yeah,
talking about the Metaverse.
yeah,
Oh, I don't know, man. I don't
yeah.
know.
Stuart, we should have bought that damn land in the ADA stuff there. So yeah, I don't know. No, we'll see. We'll see where it all goes. It's all like in the early phases anyway. So, where's Noir? Where's Noir? Is Noir? Noir is probably playing Call of Duty. That's what he's doing. Easy monies. Easy monies. I think Noir was on. Noir was on here earlier. So I wonder where he is. He is now. Uh, he's putting the kids to sleep maybe.
Yeah, probably.
Probably.
Yeah. Buying land when it was 5K, $5,000 mono. Wow, $5,000. Actually, we should go in. We regret it now. We regret it because that land is no longer $5,000.
Yeah, but that's talking now. You don't know. Who said in 2009 that Bitcoin was going to be 36K or even 69K this year?
I
Who,
know what
who
they
ever said it in
I know what they
2009?
I know what they said last year. They said it was going to 100,000, you know.
Yep.
I'm saying.
Yep.
And here we are at 37. And
Hey,
looking.
man. That was a nice little, but I listen, I don't want to be the guy to keep talking about Bitcoin, all right? I know it's up there, but
Yeah.
people don't really mess with it, so it is what it is.
I can
But
guarantee you,
you
if you
need it.
sell Bitcoin to me, it will go up.
If you said your Bitcoin to William, it's going up, Marco. It's
I don't
going
know.
up. Yeah, it's going up in
Then
flames.
what would I care if I sell it to you? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just like a bank, Melko.
That's what his wallet is for. Um, one thing it doesn't happen. Welcome to crypto, right? When everyone says one thing it doesn't happen, that's just normal though for the entire market, right, Stuart? Yeah, it's normal.
That's funny.
The
Uh
bank, William the bank. What about Matic? What's your question? What's your question? Let me see here. You know what I want to take a look at? I want to go back to Decentraland and see what that looks like again. So Facebook apparently buying the Sandbox. Don't not sure what's up with that. Don't think there's anything there, right? Let me see here, guys. So let's do Decentraland here. I haven't done the Sandbox yet, guys, and that's fine, right? So um,
say
I want
cheese, guys.
to.
Say cheese, guys.
Ooh, my stuff is slow. Slow. We need to close that Discord there. Am I good? Yeah, I should be good now.
Maybe
Uh,
a little bit less tabs open will help as well a little bit.
what will?
If you have less tabs open.
Yeah. Wow, they have beats. They have a
So what
nice.
so
Huh?
wait, what's going on? What is this?
This is a gateway into the metaverse. We're going.
Alright.
We're
Oh,
going, Marco. We're going. Look at
I'm
this. We're going.
gonna make this full screen so I could be
No, we're
in it.
going. No, we're going. We're here. We're here. This is the character we created last time, guys. Right? You guys remember what's his name again? I don't remember his name. Don't remember his name. Anyways, right? So that's our character we created last time. But what I want to take a look at, honestly, is like you can see all these people here, Markov. You can I don't know what they're doing there, but they're there, right? So and what I wanted to take a look at was some of the land stuff. Some of the land stuff. I wonder if we can get the prices here for these things. Don't want to jump in there. I just want to see the prices.
I
Uh,
think the gray's not for sale.
hmm.
The gray bricks.
Not sure. Not sure. I'm sure. Yeah. I don't know. So for example, these are just live events here that you can jump into, right? Those are live events, right? So Ice Cube and Trevor. Who's that? Oh, that was huh? What's this? I want to jump in there. I want to see what's happening there. A good position for scaling in for Matic. Yeah, there you go. So super chats from Blair, guys. Here's a little
Blair.
starting from
Oh
what real
snap!
estate, real estate fun, guys. Let's go, Blair. Hello, hello. Um, it's next to a big company. If they want to expand, they need to buy your land. Musty, exactly right. Um, yeah, I bet you a lot of that stuff is priced in already. Like they know. They know. It's really slow for some reason. Might not do that today. It's just really slow. What's this? All this stuff is gonna need to be improved, but thought there was a live show here somewhere. Somewhere. Let's see. What's that? I don't know what that is, guys. I don't know. Said something about Ice Cube. So there's is that Ice Cube? Who's that? Ice Cube's son? That's what it looks like. I don't know.
It
Something.
looks really cool.
Yeah, looks really cool. They're on a break. Maybe they're on a break, guys. This guy wants to hang out. So I don't know who this is. That's Jenny. I say hi, Jenny, guys. Land on that game. Thoughts? Oh, Marco's thoughts on like buying some land on on like for $11,000. Oh yeah, I'm glitching hard. Actually, I'm gonna close that out.
That sounds like a lot to me. It's a game, right? But it's crypto
Let's
at the same time, right? So look, you can't ask me this. I don't know. It looks like The Sims.
It looks like The Sims. Uh, last time you were. Um, I want to so let's take a look at like the land stuff here. I know we looked at this stuff already, guys. So let's take a look at like recently sold land in here, right? So that's a right. I wonder if this shows us the prices here. So again, that's the land, right? So that little dots in there, that little dots
Nuts.
Okay.
is worth $12,000.
Nuts.
$12,000, right? So 4,500 mana, right? So that's what it is there. Okay, so let's go back here and take a look at yeah. So 12,000. You know what, guys? Last week that thing was 11, right? That thing was 11 last week. So seems like the prices are look at that, right? So $17,000 for this one, right? 17K for this one here, right? $17,000. That's what that thing sold. Like it's sold already, right? Like it's confirmed sold, right? So again, that's some land in the metaverse there. What else can we find that's a little bit bigger, right? So, for example, this one here, right? Imagine how much this one's gonna be. This one was sold for. Why doesn't it show us the price? This one, these guys are hiding this one here, right? So again, imagine, right? Imagine that small plot of land that was $17,000, guys, right? Was six mana coins, 6,000 mana coins. This one was sold for 74,000, right? So do the math and come back with a number, right? Again, 17, right? So this one sold for 4. This one was bought by William.
No, I did not buy any
So
land.
what's the cheapest? Can you like do like a relevance where you could switch how you want to sort it? So
Yeah, you could do like from like low
yeah.
to high. So let's do that. So that's the lowest. Well, that's $11,000, 11,800. There you go. That's the cheapest. When that's you can this guy isn't even selling it, right? But you can place a bid, right? You see all the offers on here, Marco. These are offers. These are offers. People willing to buy them, right? People offering $12,000, blah 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 blah. And he's like, nope, no, thank you. You keep your money.
So,
Fatima
but so
Land.
now I would assume, just like real life, the area that you purchase, it
Mhm.
would make it more valuable if it's near like a
Yeah,
like
exactly.
if Travis Scott owns a section over here and now
Yeah,
this is near his section of where he
yeah,
owns.
exactly.
I don't
Exactly.
know. That is
Yeah,
crazy. Where's
yeah.
Beverly Hills?
Beverly Hills. Um, yeah.
Blaze is gonna join in the background.
Let me see here. So let me go to like the sandbox. So you can just see all like the partners that these guys are. No, 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 the sandbox. If I go over to like the sandbox metaverse, these guys are one of the biggest ones as well, right? You go like to see who they're partnered with. So this one's more of like gaming, right? So this is more like Minecraft, right? Uh, but they again, so these guys have their metaverse stuff as well, right? Take a look in like just like people they're partnering with, right? You have people like Snoop Dogg has some land in here, right? In the sandbox. Snoop Dogg has his own like special characters in this metaverse, right? And you have The Walking Dead, Adidas, right? The Smurfs, Hell's Kitchen, right? Just those are just people they're partnering with in the metaverse, right? So it's cool. Just the metaverse. Uh, Block in the middle of a big square. You can ask for a lot, right, Mono? Yeah, right. So it's cool. It's cool. And then Atari, Atari. And then Mickey Mouse. That's Mickey Mouse, guys. Yeah, that's Mickey Mouse. And then so again, let's go back here to like OpenSea or whatnot, right? So again, so that's Decentraland. I wonder what land is going for like in the sandbox. Let me see here. Sandbox. No, that's not what I want. Maybe. So it seems like it's a little bit more like it's cheaper on here. Seems like that's not what I want though. So the sand land for sale. Yeah, I don't know about that. Anyways, what I wanted to look at is just wanted to take a look at some of these like some of these NFTs, right? So Marco could see the prices. What do you guys think? So back to OpenSea here. Uh, explore. Top ones here. I don't know if I want to take a look at. So again, these are the top NFTs here. So these guys are really popular. Like Azuki, really popular. So for example, if I take a look at the last like sold Azuki here, right? Recently sold, right? So this one was sold last for right. Actually, that's an offer. This guy's not even selling it, right? So that's an offer for $22,000, right? So again, NFTs, right? The story box, yeah, right. So and it's NFTs again, so they're art, right, Marco? But it's again they're just like coins, also, right? Where there's a
Yeah.
project behind it, so they can do like collaborations and projects and games and stuff like that. So
But that was as well the plan with Board Ape pictures, wasn't it?
yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, the board,
And
yeah.
that is completely gone. It's only the pictures now.
S-
What do
s-
you mean?
The Shithead as well came out a game along with the Board Ape pictures.
Not sure, right? Not sure.
Yeah,
So
I
so
read something about it somewhere.
Yeah.
I guess a question that I have, like, so what would what's the thing that makes put these particular NFTs rise in price? Like, or do I make my own pricing? Or I really don't know how this works. I purposely was like, I'm not gonna get
Yeah,
into it, but I'm
yeah,
here and y'all
yeah.
talking about it. So like,
Yes, sounds good. So, like with most of these names, it's about the community, right? So, what these guys do is they try and create a really cool project, and then they build a community, and so then you have to go through the minting process, and then you list them on OpenSea, right? So, what these guys are hype Michael, hype. There you go, right? So again, you create a community, right? Then these guys mint these NFTs. So let's say there's like 10,000, for example, there's 10,000 of these board apes, right? So again, you create a community, 10,000 of these things, 10,000
there's
different, like,
10,000 expressions here, is
yes,
what you're telling me.
exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. So again, there's 10,000 of them. Like the community is what like really builds them, right? So what they're doing is minting them, right? And they're creating a price. So let's say they start selling them for more for one ETH. The intention is to like create a lot of hype around it, create like create projects around it, and then now it's on the community to like just keep increasing the price, right? As the creators are hyping this stuff up, right? The community is increasing the floor price. So for example, if the lowest one is one ETH and you increase the price to 2 ETH, everybody does the same. Well, now those things are just increasing in value, right? And so what these guys are doing, for example, like Bored Apes, we read an article yesterday or whatever day that was, is what these guys are doing is they're giving the like pitching these things to celebrities, right? So these
Right.
ones are owned by a lot of like, I don't know if you've seen like DJ Khaled owns one of these, right?
Steph
Justin
Curry.
Timberlake, right?
Yeah.
So if you take a look at this one, for example, so these ones all sold, right? This is the last one that was sold, right? So this one is sold. Uh, uh, I don't know why it doesn't show me the price there, right? This one was sold for 183 ETH.
Wow.
183, right? So that was the last sale. This one was sold not too long ago, um, right? It's no longer for sale. You can make an offer though. It's no longer for sale. Let me go back here once. Take a look at this one here, for example. Actually, that's rubbish. And
Ryan, I can arrange that for you to get a VIP membership
there you go.
uh, on Hot Trades Land.
Yeah.
Just make contact with me and I will arrange that for you. Will cost something only, but
Yeah. To start with, there you go, right? Stewart says the Evolve is competition, right? So these things started at 2 ETH, Marco. So these things started at 2 ETH, right? So for now, the offer in this one is $321,000, right? $300,000. We looked at one the other night. That just sold for what was it again? $3 million, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, so
Yeah.
it's just absolute madness. I think we feel like this thing is the space is just overly saturated, and like that's ridiculous, right? So look at that though. Wow, like it's 15. So this guy bought it. Like this guy, whoever this is, 15, sold it for 34. That guy bought it for 34, sold it for 72. Whoever's holding it now has an offer already at 120 ETH. Like that thing just keeps going. Where
Hey
this started.
man.
Yeah, I don't know. It's madness. It's a whole like how much they meant it for, even less, right, Robert? Yeah.
How many subs you got now? I got the whole community. Come on, y'all. Get it going.
Oh no, no, that's
I,
rubbish. We do have a hot trades NFT though.
if everyone was a part of the hot trades community with the and you guys all had your own expressions and all of that.
um,
What expressions? Yeah. So you guys seem to like this one. So there you go. It's loading for some reason. My screen is super slow, right? So there you go. There you go. So you guys you guys seem to like this one a lot more, right? So the gold one. Beth has the green one. The green one. If
I'm
I
about
go
to
back
buy
here
it.
once, yeah, here you go. Scarfing NFTs, scarfing NFTs. Yeah, sounds like a setup for Rockpool, Mark. The setup for Rockpool, right? Yeah. No, it's the purple one is better. You like the purple one, Queen? Yeah, the purple one is actually really cool. Right, so that's the purple one there. If we
and
can look.
if somebody wants to make more gains out of this, just let it turn the other side, and you can double sell this. One
Yeah.
left, one right. That's as well something they did with the board ape pictures, and they have been removed from uh, um,
Wait.
I thought that was allowed. I thought you were allowed to do that.
no, they don't, because the board ape what was turned around,
Mhm.
and I think it is they are all right-sided, but the
Yeah.
ones who were left-sided were only going for a partial of the price.
Right.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So if you
Yeah.
buy for one of those stupid apes, $10,000, you paid only 1,000. So way less, and they were not happy about it.
Yeah. It just
Yeah.
gives, yeah.
Oh yeah,
Everyone just,
I heard about the fake people selling like the fake NFTs and people were
yeah,
falling for it type of thing.
yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah. It's crazy. Like it's crazy. Can't believe
dang.
people. Yeah, I don't know.
That's hey, but look, I mean, so if I were to, all right, so I'm gonna give you that amount of Ethereum, right?
Mhm.
Then it's gonna change to 4 owners, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm still confused. Sorry.
um, but
1 plus 3 equals my NFT. I don't know.
yeah. So Mono has the classic one. You have the green one, right, Mono? Yeah, the classic one. Tokens they're selling for to eat. Like, of course, Robert. Of course. Yeah. I don't know. Supply and demand. There you go. Right. Supply and demand. That's all it is, Marco. Right. So it just depends. So for example, um, let's see here. So what happens is, so again, there's gonna need to be some type of cool things we do with these NFTs, right? Something like in terms of like projects, utility, something we do, like something that's special. Like when you have this NFT, there's something that comes with it, right? We're gonna have to decide that. But then what happens is, so for example, let's say there's only 10 of these NFTs, right? So once they're gone, well, you can't have any, right? You can only buy them from like someone else that owns them already, right? In order to like, to be a part of that, and that's where the value starts going up, right? So whatever someone wants to sell them to you for, that's what you get, right? So
Yeah.
and then it just
Okay.
becomes like a whole bunch, like it just becomes a game after that, and whatnot. So yeah. I think my
So
wallet is, yeah.
can you burn NFTs? You know how you burn cheap? Like
Yeah, you can,
Louis. Oh,
yeah.
oh, you busy? Oh, say what's up.
What's up?
Harry, hi.
Hmm.
into in the plan, that's the plan, yeah, right? So
Bring it.
yeah, yeah, Stuart. So some of these NFTs are going to be in the metaverse for gaming and whatnot, and yeah, that's another part of it, right? So it's
No. Pour the chips out.
there you go. Andrew's crashing. It's Mini Marco,
Oh,
Mini Marco, Mini. There you go. Yeah, no, you can burn NFTs though. You can. Um,
paper towel. Bring it here.
NFT burning.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see here. William is busy going to the moon, guys. No, no.
I'm not selling anything.
Fun NFTs now is trading Pokemon cards is all makes sense. It's Pokemon cards, Queen. Like that's it's Pokemon cards. And you wanted Pokemon cards? We have Pokemon cards. You said Metaverse 3000 size. Oh no. Um, yeah. You're just trying to trade some of these things that have value, and then over time some of them gain value, some of them lose value, blah blah blah, right?
Yeah.
Pokemon cards, guys. So yeah, no, so again, it's just like a project, right? You can burn them. The only thing I don't know if the board apes are burning anything, uh, but so like a project that I have an NFT out there burning some NFTs, so which is cool. We'll see how that goes.
I'd like to burn something else.
You'd like to burn something else?
Hey, by the way, Andrew said, you said Metaverse 3,000 times. I think we need to do next week a bet. Like, who's gonna say
Yeah.
the closest amount place will say how many times we're gonna say this.
Yeah. 3,000 times. No, exactly, right? Those guys are value. Those guys are value. Like they just raised, what is it? They just raised a few $1 million or something as steward for a project they're working on. So yeah, they don't need anything. Don't need anything, which is impressive. Impressive. Yeah.
Well, guys, My time here was fun, like always. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Yeah, my time here was fun as always. I'll be back. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe if Bitcoin goes to 42,000, I'll come
Yeah.
back. Maybe we'll see.
Yeah.
So I'll be on standby. But
Yeah.
thanks for having me.
Yeah.
I missed you guys. I did. I missed this.
Oh,
I
So
miss you too.
right.
But we don't see you much around anymore.
yeah,
It's been
life.
struggle from COVID. Yeah. Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
I
It's
know,
getting.
I know.
Yeah.
Melvin,
but
what do you think? Do I need to join next Thursday into the stream?
no.
Why not?
You asked me. I don't
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. I will come out of a surgery. I will be on a morphine pump into the hospital. How fun
It's your
will it
surgery.
be? Yes,
It's your surgery.
Yeah.
yes. I
When?
did. I was flabbergasted. I had this somewhere last week. They had called me and they were like, "Can you come coming Thursday?" And we wanted to have a short conversation with you, like what we are gonna do. We're gonna explain things, blah 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 blah. And I came and I had something like, well, so they're gonna explain me for in 3, 4, 5, 6 months for the surgery. And they were like, well, you had upcoming Thursday conversation with an anesthetist, and they were like, we're gonna move that, and we want to do the surgery on Thursday already.
Yeah.
So I was flabbergasted.
All right. So in that case, yes, sure. Come back next Thursday. I won't be here.
What's gonna be here?
Unless
Yeah.
Bitcoin at 42,000. But
There you go. So
yeah,
pumping. Right.
yeah. I'll be around, guys.
Yeah. Good to see you. Good to see
Good
you.
to see you. See
Yeah.
you.
Good to see you. Are you gonna tell us a
You
story
already,
before?
you already know, man. You already know the question.
You know,
Bye.
Pause. Where am I from?
where's Marco from, guys? Where's Marco from? Is what he's asking. Uh, is it-
Bye, Melko.
That's Marco's exit strategy. Question and leave. That could to word of the night, flabbergasted. Don't worry. If you ask that, that will not be said once. Other than that. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, guys. Any questions? And yeah, we could hop off and go hang out in Discord or whatnot. Because there's really not a whole lot happening, right? So Bitcoin
If
is chilling.
anybody wants to do a movie night upcoming Saturday, Sunday, Friday, ping me up. I can turn on any movie,
Yeah,
almost any movie.
yeah. You guys want to New York City? New York City? Yeah. Looking bullish on the 4 hour time frame. Bitcoin is looking bullish on the 4 hour time frame. Let me take a look at the 4 hour here. See what Marco's see what Musty's looking at. Yeah, right. Again, we look fine. Like we look fine here, right? We're consolidating here again. So when I take a look at this, this would be somewhat of a signal of like accumulation, right, Musty, right? So accumulation here. We found a level of support that we're holding nicely, right? Hold there, bounce. We're holding here and bouncing as well. See, we can clear this 37.5. That's a level of resistance we need to break above. We hit that level already and failed, right? So we need to clear that level and start pushing for that. These tops here, right? Again, around $39,000, right? Need to clear that 40K, and then we're back, happy, and good to go, right? So yeah, looks fine here, right? Seems like we're bottoming out, we're curling, right? So again, huge selling pressure. We're turning around slowly. Just need to keep going, right? So yeah. Well, for the operation, Doge Blazer. Oh yeah, there you go, William. Right. So
Thank you, B.
not a
I'm not
problem.
really in a worry about it. I have something like I cannot change anything about it. What am I gonna do?
Mhm, yeah, exactly. Absolutely nothing. Where you? Oh, Stuart. Please and thank you. Um, don't worry. William has all the movies he wants. All the movies. All the movies. You just ask. William has it. That's when you see all the ads that are not supposed to be on here show up. Yep, that's William. Uh, that was funny as hell. It was funny. That was pretty funny, right? That was pretty funny. Um, from Queen there. Marco went to get a life and he got COVID instead, guys. Unbelievable. uh, gets to pick the movie. William gets to pick the movie. Yeah. No, William's picked some good movies. Some okay movies. Some highly questionable movies. Some fighting violence movies. Yeah.
Why is it highly questionable?
I don't know. I don't know. Looking for to pass on your phrases before the operation. William, can we um that's what Stuart is asking. Can we have your
Sure,
passwords before you get high and forget them? Before you get you
I am
get into
already high.
you forget your passwords. We would just want to protect them for you before you go into surgery. How about that? Can we have your
Mm,
phrases? Your
no,
what if you forget your wallet? Your wallet, your phrase. What if you
no, I don't be afraid for that.
look at this rubbish? He's willing to double, asking us to trust him to double crypto, double Bitcoin. Can't even trust us with, unbelievable. Cannot predict. I'm busy today. It's not your day. Tomorrow doesn't look good either. Oh, oh, man. Your seed phrase, dude. No biggie, right? Just want to keep it safe. Naive response. Yep. I'm not sure what's wrong with the 8 ball. Let's see here. Yeah,
Well, I can give you my wallet address to send your crypto to, but I will not give you my seeds. No way.
no, no, no. We don't want your seed. We just want your phrases, please. That's
Yeah,
it.
that's man. No, 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 no. You're not gonna get them.
Robert Banking Alliance Fund, right? It's a create a hot trades fund, guys. You all send all your crypto, please, right? A hot trades fund. And then the next day you come on to look for the channel hot trades, non-existence. Discord gone, hot trades gone. To hear that tonight, I will not give you. What do you think about XRP, Jasmine? XRP is a is a is a is an amazing project. That's never been the question, right? Took the night off. It was the future. My future take of itself, Queen. Right? XRP is a project, right? So these guys are working on some really cool stuff, right? Again, XRP has been adopted. It's been adopted, right? By some major banks, right? Like it's that's not the question. The question is the whole lawsuit situation, right? So whenever they get rid of that, we know want that thing to fly, right? To explode, right? So yeah. Yeah. Watch, you guys must be bored with Happy Fox or watching Bitcoin. Bitcoin is super slow, right? It's not really doing anything, so it is what it is.
Well, bored. It's only almost 5 a.m. for me, so I'm not really bored. I can go as well to sleep. But
Yeah. XRP devs to jail. That's what you think. I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't think that's gonna happen. That's where did you hear that from, Happy Fox? Where did you hear that from? Went to jail. No, there are a lot of good projects, Jasmine, right? There are a lot of good projects, right? So again, if vote human NFT, the ones we talked about quite a bit lately are the metaverse names, right? Stuff like Mana, Sandbox, right? Um, as people form into the metaverse names. How long is Fabian going to be on stream with you? How long is Fabian going to be here for? For another 10 more minutes. Marco, Noah, you missed Marco. You missed Marco, Noah. Did you see Marco on stream? If you haven't, go back like 10 minutes, go
Black
back like 2 minutes, go back like 30
suck it.
minutes. There you go. Go to bed. Sweet baby Jesus William.
Suck it, Black. Show your face and say it to me then.
Uh, say to my face, Noor. Say to my face. Say with your chest. Come on, let's go.
I can handle it. No problem.
He's been offering it. He's up from seed to suck it. William, what's going on? What's going on? Like, what happened? This whole when crypto crashed, what were you doing? This, what were you doing, William? We just want to know.
I think and I think that I know what I'm gonna do.
No, we're asking what you've been doing. As crypto crashed, you found new words. You found new words like suck it, like seed. We just want to know what you've been doing
I
with your.
didn't meant it different, and you know that I meant it different. You are burning me today to the ground. Really, it is so painful. I'm gonna be happy into a surgery, and I just get burned. Well, my time will come, Blaze.
You know well, William. Oh,
My time will come, and I will burn you back to the ground, so the whole community can build you back up.
I never turned down a roast, guys. Never turned down a roast. No, absolutely. Absolutely. Nora says, Donna, with a good time. It's all with a good heart. No, absolutely, right? No, William knows. William knows. We just have fun. We just have fun.
Yes, but that's all it is.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Right, Jason. Uh, we just, again, crypto isn't doing anything, so we just hang out and have fun. So, what about a spit roast? Yeah. We've had some good roast. Some really good roast. Yeah.
Yeah, truly, honestly.
Yeah. Uh, yeah. Mark Zuckerberg. Yeah, he gave it to a bunch of you guys. He's $80 billion. He gave it to you guys. You guys stole it. So there you go. It's no longer since no other hair is good. William's hair luscious. Luscious. He bought an NFT, Andrew. He might as well. He should have used that money. He should have sold all his stock and bought an NFT instead, Andrew.
No, never.
Never.
No, for me, I'm not gonna go into NFTs.
No, that's fine, right? So just that's completely fine. It's just yeah. Don't yeah. No. NFTs. I know you know who has a lot of NFTs. Mona does. Mona has like 300 NFTs. 300
Wow.
of those things. He's a collector. Collector.
Well, I think everybody has somewhere a thing to collect in.
Yeah. Absolutely. You good? Okay. Yes.
You
Well,
know, some people are good in collecting rug pulls. I didn't have any. I had, well, honestly, I think one I can say is a rug pull towards me.
what did you get? Rock pod? Which one? Pikachu?
Well, it is still on listed on Bitmart, but I
Greg?
had about $25 in Pikachu,
Okay.
and it's $31 cent right now. But
Everybody
good
got
enough,
what?
good enough. I didn't put 500 in it.
Um, oh man. Jamie, did you all lose during the crash? What crash? Like the crypto retracement here? Um, Again, you don't lose until you sell, right? And for most people, it's an investment, right? Longer term play. So, your skin cream, your skin cream, unbelievable. Yeah.
Oh, I miss those times with geez, I lost his name. Um, Technique.
Mhm.
Those times were so much fun.
Yeah, Nick. I was talking to Nick. The other day. I was talking to Nick the other day. He just his family just recovered from COVID again. Um,
Wow.
so again, so COVID's William is the largest buyer of the Noah skin cream made with some seeds.
Oh,
Unbelievable. Separate batch earlier. Yeah. Why do you think William is showing his beauty now?
I'm just lazy. I don't want to look for my hair clip.
Okay. That
It's a
experience.
long day for me.
The natural glow, the William natural glow, guys. Natural glow. That's flawless complexion. Yeah, look at that. Look at the shine, guys. The shine.
Oh, my head.
The shine. Yo. The natural glow. So let's do this for another 5 more minutes, and then we can maybe we can play some cards, some card noir, if you offer it. We all have the same thoughts. um, you who's we noir? Um, do I buy mana now? Card duty, card duty. Do you buy mana now? Aegon Slay. Again, so what's your reason for buying mana? Is the question up, right? Is it just a quick little scalp? Is it an investment? Like, what's your reason for buying mana? Why are you interested in mana? We're just trying to understand, right? Not saying don't buy it. We're just saying, okay, what's your reason, just so we can understand and give you an answer, right?
Blaze, I did send you a DM on Discord.
Oh no, I don't want any Noah cream, please. I don't. I
No,
don't.
no, no, no. It's about BTC. I think I did saw something on the 4-hour chart.
Okay, nice.
Maybe you
Short
can
term
take a
profit.
look at it for me.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah, I like that. Right. So again, I think that's what Musty was looking at as well, and said, yeah, Bitcoin looks fine, right? It just needs to,
Upwards going trend.
yeah, exactly, right. So just needs to push, William.
Yes.
Yeah. So you're just looking Decentraland crashes all the time. It's trash. Happy Fox. It's volatile, right? So if you're looking for short-term gains, Aegon Slave, right? What you're looking for is some nice dips, right? You're looking for some nice dips, right? You're looking for, again, you're not looking to buy. If you're looking for short-term gains, right? Uh, has a suck it emoji. Let's go, Jasmine. You made it to Discord. Let's go, right? If you're looking for these short-term gains. You're looking for these sell-offs because again, take a look at mana here over the last few hours, right? It's had a nice little run, a nice little recovery, right? If you're looking for short term gains, well, wait for a nice dip and then go with that, right? So, uh, there you go. La, la, la. Oh yeah, no, William. Yeah, that looks good. Again, like Bitcoin is just needs a little bit of volume to the upside. We just need to break some technical levels for that FOMO to kick in, and then all these other coins
Mhm.
can get going. So yeah. Reminder, guys, if you haven't smashed a like yet, 2 more minutes here. All right. If you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second to smash a like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you want to come join us in Discord, like Jasmine just did, welcome, Jasmine. Come join us in Discord. Oh, you mean the game, Decentraland, the game crashes? The software, not the coin. Oh, you mean like the software crashes? Okay. Yeah, it hasn't crashed for me. Yeah, like it's still very early, right? Like it's still very, very early. I'm sure they have a lot of things to do, right? They have a lot of work to do. Like these metaverse names are just again, right? Just in the beginning phases, right? So um, again, they need to work on graphics and whatnot, and the entire direction, right? So COVID test. Oh, is it Noah cream? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, so if you're looking for short-term dip, right, wait for retracement there, right. If you're looking for a longer-term play, then okay, cool. There's nothing wrong with scaling it, right. There are a lot of people holding mana at like $4, right, and $4. So again, like slowly dollar cost averaging into names you like. There's nothing wrong with that, right. You buy 10% here, 10% there, 10%, so running out of supply. Oh, they're selling fast. The fast. Uh, no, it's a what farm? No, no, no. Who stole Mindy? Protein. No, I don't know what to tell you. So William, I'm sure we're gonna see before, or we're gonna talk before we go into your like your surgery next.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. It's 7 days, and
Yeah,
I even don't know if it's gonna be in the morning or in the afternoon. I don't know any times yet, so we'll see.
yeah. BTC, Man and Sand. I think Man. So Sand something around like 900 million, right? If I'm not mistaken here completely, I think against so San around 900 million, and then I think for Mana it's 1.9 billion or something like that, right? So again, you can just take a look at coin market cap, right? So yeah, yeah, smaller for Sand, right? So the supply there, Mana, almost twice as much. So shit to William. Yeah, no. Hopefully goes smoothly, William, and you're good to go. And
Yeah, well, I have something like we will see.
yeah, exactly. Right, so,
No, I cannot change anything
no,
to
exactly,
anything of it.
exactly, exactly, exactly. Um, yeah, BTC. Are you looking for that as a selling point? You're looking for what's smaller. I mean, I looked at that initially, but Mana seems to have a lot of hype behind it, right? So you can see that thing moves a lot more than Sand does, right?
Yeah,
Mana does. It moves. It's volatile. When it's ready to go, it goes, right? Uh, like looks like this the Minecraft of the metaverse. Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like, right? Happy Fox, yeah, right. The sandbox, the Minecraft of the metaverse. I don't know if they're gonna fix that stuff or they're just gonna leave it the way it is. It's I mean, it's one of the biggest projects, but I don't know. Yeah, no, William, thank you very much for coming on and hanging out. So thank you.
you too for
It's
having me
been,
on. It was a
yeah,
nice evening.
yeah. What time is it for you? What time is it? Is
Uh,
it
just past 5 a.m.
5 a.m., guys? 5 a.m. in the morning, and William is 5 a.m.
I'm going back to the moon and then probably go to sleep.
Who goes to the moon before going to bed, guys? Look, man,
You have never smoked
okay,
weed,
Paul.
and it's so bad. You need to try it once. You will understand.
Yeah, okay.
Even Amber will understand. Queen understands. Bev understands. If you smoke just before you go to bed, you sleep incredibly good.
You really? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No, regardless, I sleep here. I don't know.
Bev place.
Moon? Wow. Okay, best time for the moon. How come you guys all know about the moon, Stewart? Virus is on the moon. Christy says I understand.
Even look,
Unbelievable.
even Christy understands it plays.
Entire community, you guys, all going to the moon. What happened, guys? Oh no, Andrew, this is all you.
Oh jeez.
I'm an expert in mooning. I just accept it. Yeah. I don't know. You're really screwed on that 1 minute of a mana. Oh, Andrew, I don't know. Will Shiba run again? It looks like sexy by right now. It will, right? Again, so it will. It seems like again, so one of these projects that has a huge community, right? So these things are gonna be around for a while, and they're always gonna go for these runs, right? So stuff like Doge, stuff like Shiba, right? Stuff with the community, right? Stuff that with a lot of holders, right? And projects potentially coming. That stuff is always gonna run, right? It goes up, down, right? So yeah, it is. So It's just consolidating at a really nice level, right? So as long as Bitcoin doesn't go for another retracement here, that thing should be okay, right? It seems like they're finding their bottoms. Dogecoin, Shiba, finding some nice bottoms, right? So just waiting for the next phase of the run, right, guys? We have a super sticker before we leave, guys, from BTC 69420. William's favorite numbers. Um, let's go. Thank you for the super sticker, BTC. Come
The
on.
BTC 69 understands it.
Yeah,
Half the community understands it, Blaze. Why do you not start to understand it?
because I don't have time to understand it. Uh,
You don't need to make a lot of time for it.
let's go, BTC says pump, pump, pump.
Let's go, BTC.
Go. Let's go, Ryan. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'll send you the link for Discord. I'll send you the link for Discord, Ryan. So, but I don't think BTC is in Discord. Are you? If you're BTC, you can send me an email. Email at the top of the screen, then I'll send you a link to join Discord. Yeah. It needs to do it for 420. Yeah. Supply devs own 23. Supply suspect projects. Like I personally don't like the Doge developers, right? So again, that's not what it's about anyways. It's always been about like the community and Elon, right? And what's like the developers have never been at the forefront of anything. You take a look at their Twitter, those guys just complain on Twitter, right? So about how blah blah blah, right? So again, it's not about them anyways. Well, at least they've done not a whole lot, right? So every day is 420. 420 every day.
Into 2 times.
Yeah. Here you go. And then yeah, we can take a look at so Ford. We'll see what Ford does tomorrow morning, right? So Ford, those Ford calls, we'll see what they look like tomorrow morning again. So a little bit of time on those, right? February the 18th, right? And then the Strato, good old Strato on Snapchat, right? So Snapchat, right? Nice Strato there, so should get paid there nicely, right? For Snapchat, so good, right? Amazon, really nice as well, right? So super chat guys from Noir. Let's go. Noir says, please the emojis on my merch. Hang on, General. The people want more merch. More merch. Okay, take a look. The emojis on my merch idea in Discord. Hang on, I'll take a look, Nor. Thank you for the super chats. I'll see you on COD. And I need a snack, Nor. I need a snack. Beth says good night. Queen says, Stewart. Night, Andrew. Good night, BTC. We strangle it. We strangle it, Jason. Right? We strangle it. Both sides get paid either way, right? So again, like names like that where you expect volatility, get a salad or get a salad noir, right? Names that you expect volatility, names like Snapchat. Ford not exactly the best example for that because it's slow, right? So needs a snack for his squad kicking. Yep, right, Andrew, of course. Ryan, have a wonderful night. I'll send you the link before I shut everything down. Um, alrighty, guys.
Have a nice evening, everybody. Oh, good night.
There you go,
See
guys.
you tomorrow. Much love.
Good night, Jason. See. Have a wonderful evening, guys. Good night, Queen.
Good night, Queen.
Bye all. Later. What called? Where's the roast stuff? Where's the roast stuff? It's fun. It's fun, Stuart. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun. Alrighty, guys. Have a good night, guys. See you guys on the next stream tomorrow morning, bright and early. And we continue. So virus is celebrating, guys. Virus is just celebrating these Snapchat calls. Thanks, happy folks. Peace. Peace. Alrighty, guys. Have a good night. Bye, guys.